This is the farmhouse, where I shot the Farmhouse video series. In this book 11, I'm going to go over the updates that we've done over the last 12 years, one room a year, and some things worked out and some things didn't. So just like the horse and buggy and the rail fence, we updated a few things that just didn't work out. This bathroom update video could almost be considered a YouTube short because it was one thing that didn't work out in the bathroom, and that was the little green ugly cabinet that we cut down and put beside the sink. The plywood bottom that we stuck in, it was not a great piece of plywood, it was what we had, and even though we painted it, it is a little bit rough and it just wasn't working out. It was showing dirt. So what I decided to do was take a piece of the flooring that I had left over and cut it down, and I stuck it inside, and with a little cutting around the corners it fit in. It's just a touch narrow, but that's the width of the plank. So with that in, we're good to go. There's nothing else in the bathroom that needed an update. We got lucky and everything worked.